નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Okay, students, now our exercise 9.1 for the question number 6 and the question number 7. So, first of all, we have to start the question number 6 for the exercise 9.1. So, question number 6 is the sale of electric bulbs on a different day of a week is shown in below. It means a different day, how many electric bulb was the sale is given in our pictograph. So this one is the pictograph. So this one is our days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Number of electric bulb and the one figure, this means one pictures is equal to how many bulbs? So two bulbs. Okay, so let's start. So on Monday, how many bulbs was the sale? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The 6 pictures and 2, it means the 6 multiplied by 2, it means total how many? 12 bulbs sales on Monday. Right? Then after the Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 bulbs. And one bulb's value is equal to 2. It means we have to write 8 multiplied by 2. It means how many bulbs total? 16 bulbs sale on a Tuesday. Then after the Wednesday, so in Wednesday 1, 2, 3 and 4, only 4 bulbs. It means 4. One bulb's value is equal to 2. It means 4 multiplied by 2. It means 8. Then after the Thursday, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5, one bulb's value 2, it means multiply by 2, the total bulbs is 10. Then after the Friday, on a Friday how many bulbs? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, total 7. But each bulb's value is, each picture's value is equal to 2. So 7 multiplied by 2, it means how many? Total 14 bulbs sale on Friday. Then after the Saturday again is given here is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to write the 4 multiplied by 2, it means 8 bulbs. And the Sunday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the 9 multiplied by 2. 9 bulbs which 9 pictures and each picture is equal to 2 bulbs. So 9 multiplied by 2, it means total is 18. Okay student, understands? On Monday 12 bulb, on Tuesday 16 bulbs, on Wednesday 8 bulbs, on Thursday 10 bulbs, on Friday 14 bulbs, Saturday 8 bulbs and on Sunday 18 bulbs are sale. Okay, then after answer the following questions. So let's start. The first question, how many bulbs were sold on a Friday? So this one is our Friday, and how many bulbs here is given is 14. So write down 14 bulbs were sold on Friday. How many bulb? 14 bulb. Okay. Then after the next questions, second question, on which day were the maximum number of bulbs sold? Maximum number of bulbs sold. On which day? So maximum number, this one is 12, 16, 8, 10, 14, 8 and 18. So this one is maximum. So which day? Sunday. So write down Sunday where the maximum number of bulbs sold. Which day? Sunday. Okay. Then after the third questions, the third question is, on which day were the same number of bulbs sold? Same number, yani ki equal number of bulbs sold in which day? So equal number, so this one is, here is 8 and here is also for the 8. So equal number, this means Wednesday and Saturday, right? So write down on Wednesday and Saturday. On Wednesday and Saturday, same number of bulbs sold. Which day? Wednesday and the Saturday. Okay? Clear? Then after, on which of the day were the minimum number of bulbs sold? Minimum number. So dear students, this too is also for the minimum. So 12, 16, 8, 10, 14, 8 and 18. So minimum 8 and 8. So in this question I also answer also for this one. On which day? So okay, Wednesday and Saturday. So write down on Wednesday and Saturday, minimum number of bulbs sold. Right? Same, Wednesday and Saturday, minimum number of bulbs sold. Okay. Then after the last question, so this one is the importance questions. If one big cartoon can hold 9 bulbs, how many cartoons were needed in the given week? It means dear students, in these questions, कोई एक कार्टून है उसमें मैक्सिमम आप 9 बल्ब ही एंटर यानी कि अलाउ कर सकते हो. ओनली 9 बल्ब्स. एक बॉक्स में सिर्फ 9 ही बल्ब आ सकते हैं. सो हाउ मेनी कार्टून यानी कि कितने कार्टून्स रिक्वायर्ड हो गए पूरे वीक के लिए. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो हम इन सब का एडिशंस करना पड़ेगा, यानी कि 12 प्लस 16 प्लस 8 प्लस 10 प्लस 14 प्लस 18 प्लस 18. सी हियर 12 प्लस 16 प्लस 8 प्लस 10 प्लस 14 प्लस 8 and plus 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Addition of all this number is means total bulbs 86. How many total bulbs? 86 bulbs is total. Right? But one cartoon, how many required? Only 9 bulbs. It means 86 divided by 9. 86 divided by 9. If you are 86 divided by 9, then your answer is 9.5. Answer is 9.5. It means 9.5. So 9.5 हाफ कार्टून तो नहीं हो सकते है ना, हाफ कार्टून तो नहीं हो सकते, तो उसे हम राउंड ऑफ कर लेंगे. तो 9.5 इज द राउंड ऑफ 10. सो हाउ मेनी कार्टून्स आर रिक्वायर्ड? 10 कार्टून्स. हाउ मेनी? टोटल 10 कार्टून्स आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ऑल द वीक्स ऑफ द बल्ब. Okay, so understand for the question number 6, right? Now the our next questions for the question number 7. So in this question is given, in a village 6 fruit merchants sold the following number of fruit basket in a particular season. 6 fruit merchant, here is give the name, merchant's name is given here, number of basket is given. But one basket is equal to how many? Total 100 fruit basket. यानी कि one pictures is equal to 100 fruit baskets. Okay, so let's start. Rahim, Lakhanpal, Anwar, Martin, Ranjit Singh and Joseph. So let's start. So first of all, Rahim, how many pictures? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 pictures, but one pictures is equal to 100 fruit basket. It means 4 multiplied by 100, so 400. Then next Lakhanpal, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Dear students, this 5 is completed. See, but this one is half. It means the 5 multiplied by 100, so 500. And this one is half. So 100 to half, it means 50. So 500 plus 50, it means total how many? 550 fruit basket on Lakhanpal, in a Lakhanpal. Okay, clear? Then after Anwar, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many picture? 7. One picture is equal to 100, to total 700. Understand? Write to directly. Next, Martin. Calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 full, it means total 900, and this one is half, it means 50. So 950. 950. Right? Then after, next, Ranjit Singh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 and this all are is completed. So 8 and here is 100, so 800 fruit baskets. Right? And the last one is Joseph. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 complete and 1 half. 4 complete it means 400. 1 half it means 50. So 450. So how many? 450 fruit basket sold for the Joseph. 800 baskets sold for the Ranjit. 950 baskets sold for the Martin. 700 fruit baskets sold for the Anwar. 550 fruit baskets sold for the Lakhanpal, and 400 baskets sold for the Rahim. Okay, so understand given pictograph. Now answer the following questions. The first question: which merchant sold the maximum number of fruit basket? Maximum number of fruit basket. So maximum number, this one is 400, 550, 700, 915. So this one is the maximum, but the merchant name is Martin. Write down. Martin sold the maximum number of fruit baskets. Okay? Martin sold the maximum number of fruit basket. Understand? Next question. How many fruit baskets were sold by Anwar? So this one is Anwar. And how many? 700. So write down. 700 fruit baskets sold by Anwar. How many? 700 fruit baskets sold by Anwar. Okay? Then after the next questions. The merchant who have sold 600 or more number of baskets are planning to buy a godown for the next season. Can you name them? Can you name them? It means those merchants were sold 600 and more. 600 and more. So 600 and more आपको. So this one is 600 and more. This one is 600 and more, and this one is 600 and more. This one is 600 less. This one is also for the 600 and less, and this one is also for the 600 and less. Then how many? Anwar, Martin, and Ranjit Singh. Okay. Which the merchant who, कौन से मर्चेंट है जो 600 और उससे ज्यादा बास्केट जो है वो अपने गोडाउन में यानी कि नेक्स्ट सीजन में प्लान कर रहे हैं. तो 600 से मोर कितने हैं? ये तीनों. व्हाट इज द नेम? राइट डाउन द नेम. अनवर, Martin and Ranjit Singh. Can you name them? These three: Anwar, Martin and Ranjit Singh. Understand? The last questions. How many fruit baskets were sold by Joseph? So first of all find the Joseph. So this one is Joseph. How many fruit? Here is given 450. So write down 450 fruit baskets sold by Joseph. Okay, so understand the dear students, for the exercise 9.1, so this one is question number 6, and the exercise 9.1, the question number 7. Understand these two questions? Clear? Okay.
Thank you for joining us.